This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can create Bigfoot vlogs like this.
Yo, what's up, Force fam? It's your boy Bigfoot, back with another wild gear review. Today we're deep in the woods, finding random camping stuff left behind by who knows who. Let's see if it's trash or treasure. Let's go.
Since Google launched Veo 3, Bigfoot and Yetti vlogs and videos have been blowing up on TikTok and YouTube. Look at this channel. Bigfoot vlogs has only posted 27 1-minute videos, but somehow it has amassed a total of 32,000 subscribers on YouTube. If that doesn't convince you, look at his TikTok. He has only posted 29 posts, but somehow he has amassed over 1 million followers. Watch this video to the very end to learn how to create this Bigfoot vlog without spending a dime. And if you want to create these Bigfoot vlogs in Veo 3, watch this video to the very end so that I can give you some crucial tips on how to create these vlogs. Let's get started. The first step in creating Bigfoot and Yetti vlogs is to get a prompt. And for this one, we're gonna use Gemini or ChatGPT. In my case, I'll go with ChatGPT. First, before we go to ChatGPT, if you have been on this channel for long enough, you know I'm a huge fan of imitating what is currently working on YouTube. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're gonna go on YouTube and find the video that is blowing up. In my case, I went to Bigfoot vlogs and find the video that is blowing up. I took a screenshot using the snipping tool and went to ChatGPT. I uploaded the screenshot and asked GPT to give me 4 prompts for generating photos like those. And ChatGPT gave me those 4 prompts. Now that we have the prompts, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to create those photos, and we're gonna create those photos using Google Image Effects. In Image Effects, you're gonna copy the prompt in ChatGPT and paste it in Image Effects. Image Effects is going to give us 4 photos. Download those photos and do the same with the rest of the prompts. Now that you have the photos, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to generate the audio that our big guy is going to be saying. And for this one, first we're going to use ChatGPT. We're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a very short intro of a vlog of someone walking in the forest. For the next two, we're going to use ElevenLabs. So we're going to copy the intro in ChatGPT and paste it in ElevenLabs. And in ElevenLabs, I choose the voice of an African American male, and the voice came out pretty clean. Take a listen.
Yo, what's up, Force fam? It's your boy Bigfoot, back with another wild gear review.
Now that we have our voice, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to generate our videos. Again, those who are here because of Veo 3, stay to the very end, okay, where I'll show you how you can generate these things in Veo 3. We're gonna jump on to a new tool called Dreamina CapCut. If you're living in some country where Dreamina CapCut is not available, you can use a free VPN to access it. You can use the free VPN that comes with the Opera. Dreamina CapCut is pretty much free, and it has several features. Among other things, you can upload the photo and create a video with lip sync. So I tried that feature as well. So I uploaded the photo that I created with the image effects. Okay, I put the prompt to generate the video with the audio.
Here we go again. New day, new blessings. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
And the result wasn't that impressive, so I ended up using the next feature. The next feature is to generate the video without audio, and this Dreamina does it very well. I uploaded the photo and gave it this prompt. Create a vlog of Bigfoot walking and talking through the woods with an iPhone on a selfie stick, talking with one arm flexing. So this is what I got. And so far, I think I was pretty much impressed. The next step is to add the voice to our video. In other words, to lip sync. And for this one, I'm going to use my favorite lip syncing tool of all time, okay, Syncc.so. In Syncc.so, you're gonna upload the audio that you generated in ElevenLabs. You're gonna upload the video that you generated with Dreamina CapCut, and then you're gonna hit lip sync. And after some time, it's gonna give you the results. And this is what I got.
Yo, what's up, Force fam? It's your boy Bigfoot, back with another wild gear review.
Now that we have our videos, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to put those videos together in CapCut. In CapCut, you're gonna drag and drop all the assets, all the clips that you have in the timeline, and then you're gonna arrange them in the proper order. And finally, you're gonna add a little bit of transition if you like, or you're gonna add a little bit of below if you like. You can generate the below without audio in a Dreamina CapCut. For example, in my case, I created a below of Bigfoot drinking some water, as well as Bigfoot picking up some camping stuff along the way. Here are some of the tips that you should follow when you are creating Bigfoot vlogs in Veo 3. The first thing is the prompt. In terms of the prompt in Veo 3, make sure you are as specific as you could be. The sound as well as the look of the atmosphere, you should be very specific. In terms of the camera movement, you should be as specific as you could be. Whether you want the camera to orbit around your object, or you want the camera to zoom in or zoom out, or move left to right, or move right to left, you should be very specific. Next, you should also be very specific in terms of the action. Whether you want a person to run after a herd of buffaloes, or whether you want a Bigfoot to be playing football, you should be as specific as you could be. You want people to be playing hockey on the ice, be very specific. And for the dialogue, make sure you include in inverted commas what you want your object to say. The easiest way of getting around it is to use Gemini or ChatGPT. If you do not want to generate videos with the captions, put the word no caption in inverted commas in your prompt. Otherwise, this is the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. My target is by the end of this year, I should hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching up to this far.